not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'll be back with another video, and me and King is in the Asian store right now, y'all. So I want to take y'all with us so y'all can see what is giving up in here, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoy the video, y'all. Thank you. So we are in the store, and this is what I came for. I drove way across town to come get these. Y'all hear King? This is what we came to Asian store for. We drove like 20 minutes away from the house to come get these ice creams, y'all. I've been seeing them go viral on TikTok. So me and King is about to try these today, y'all.
Should we get both?
Check it out. Watch, y'all. So they got the mango,
peach, grape,
and grape, and then they also have the flavor. Okay. So I don't know which one you want to get.
We can get both.
They only have, okay, mango and grape lemon ice cream. So they got this one. They got this one. And they got this one. So we're going with the mango. You want to get both of them?
Yeah.
And the lemon. We should have got a basket. Okay, these are the two ice creams that we're getting, y'all. So they have some more over here too, but I think they all the same. They the mango. King says some sour something. What is it?
Some udon fried rice. Spicy.
Oh, fried rice, spicy. Okay, I never been in here, y'all. This is my first time.
This is our first time.
Yeah, we got what we wanted though. But I'm gonna keep looking around. Let's go check out their candies. They be having like different type of candies that we can try.
We saw wafer cake. Mommy.
Yep. So King seen it. This is a nice store. Where was the candy at?
It was like somewhere
Let me see. We're gonna go buy the candy, y'all. I don't know.
The wafer was on the other side. Maybe this is it.
Cookies. They got the mango flavor cookies, crackers. I don't know where they candy at. Oh, here goes some. These right here.
What is this?
That's the cream covered one.
What is the matcha one? That might be nasty. I never tried matcha, but don't judge it by its cover. I don't know if it's good.
I'm just showing y'all the store. I couldn't find the candy. These are all the noodles and stuff, y'all. These are all the noodles.
And
come on, let's.
rum.
Oh, wow.
And they are lychee candy too. Is it lychee? Lychee candy and plum.
Wow. She's showing us all the candy.
All of these.
Yeah.
What if we find a fork and cookie? Yeah. What if I do? I'm gonna start now.
Okay, y'all, we finna get out of here. We got what we was looking for, so we finna go. All right, y'all, we finna try the new Asian ice cream mango. Let's get into it. Let's open it up and get into it. Look how they look. They look cute. Y'all see that?
How do we open it?
These are so cute. Show them yours. All right, y'all. So I guess we take the top. I don't want to mess it up. Let's unwrap this.
Just unwrap.
Tear it off. This is how it look. Take the top off.
Okay, just tear it off.
Oh, top like this. Oh, like that. Hold on, let me help you. Let's help King out.
Ooh.
Rip it.
You just ripped the
Just
top
rip
off.
it. So, take the top off.
But how do we do it? Oh,
There you
like
go.
that. Okay.
Take mine off.
We gonna try this.
And we finna try this. Oh, see the bottom part, y'all? Look it. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. This what y'all been hollering about. This mango ice cream. Everybody been going crazy over this ice cream. But you know what? It's good. I give it 10 out of 10. It's good.
100.
Mm-hmm. It's good. You taste the mango and the soft ice cream. It's really good. It's not nasty. They said the lemon lime nasty, but this one good them. I like them. I had to go to an Asian store 30 minutes away from my house, y'all, just to go get this. So yes, go try it. It's a 10. We like it. Look at King ice cream. Show them your ice cream, King. Look it. He already knocked it down. Here y'all go. We gonna share. So we went and got the box. The box for this was $17, and you get 3 in here at the Asian store we went to out here where I stay, y'all. So thank y'all for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment at the bottom. Let us know if y'all finna go get y'all one and try one, and let us know how it tastes, y'all. Till then, we catch y'all on the back end, not the other end. Right? Peace out. Thanks for watching.